From the gritty streets of New Orleans to rap superstardom, BG isn't just a rapper, he's a survivor. Behind the hits and headlines lies a tale of talent, turmoil, and an empire worth $2 million. So, how did this hot boy rise, fall, and rise again? In the ruthless world of hip-hop, BG, also known as Baby Gangsta or B Gizzle, is more than a name, it's a legacy. As a founding member of the legendary Hot Boys, he helped shape the sound of Southern rap in the 90s. But his journey didn't stop there. With legal battles, chart-topping albums, and a comeback story that rivals the best, BG's life is a rap saga worth exploring. Let's dive into the rise, fall, and financial journey of one of hip-hop's most resilient figures. Born Christopher Noel Dorsey in New Orleans, BG's life was shaped by the rough edges of his city. In the early 90s, he emerged as a core member of the Hot Boys alongside Lil Wayne, Juvenile, and Turk. Together, they lit up the charts with anthems like We on Fire and I Need a Hot Girl, cementing their place in rap history. Gram's raw lyrics and magnetic energy didn't just add to the group, they helped define it. His presence was vital in catapulting the Hot Boys from local heroes to mainstream stars. When the Hot Boys disbanded, BG didn't fade away, he doubled down. His solo debut, Chopper City in the Ghetto, dropped with a bang, winning critical and commercial success. Albums like Livin' Legend and Heart of Tar Streets proved he was more than just a group player, he was a solo powerhouse. But fame came with a price. In 2012, BG was hit with federal prison time for weapons possession and witness tampering, a sentence that derailed his momentum and dented his finances. Yet even behind bars, his music endured, and his fanbase stayed loyal. Released from prison in 2023, BG wasted no time making waves again. Linking up with Gucci Mane for the joint project Choppers and Bricks, he announced to the world, BG is back. His comeback reflects not just his musical hunger, but his resilience. According to Celebrity Net Worth, BG's fortune stands at around $2 million in 2024. This includes earnings from his music, past investments, and new ventures. While legal issues may have shaken his financial standing, his enduring reputation and fresh projects keep his revenue flowing. Gram's story is about more than money, it's about survival, reinvention, and staying true to the game. From paving the way for Southern rap to bouncing back after prison, he remains a respected voice in hip-hop. His $2 million fortune, that's just part of the story. The real wealth is in his cultural impact and the streets that still chant his name. From the heart of New Orleans to global recognition, BG's journey is a testament to resilience, talent, and hustle. And as his comeback unfolds, one thing is clear, the saga of BG is far from over. If you enjoyed this deep dive, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more behind-the-scenes looks at your favorite hip-hop legends. Until next time, stay real, stay legendary.